So in Schoology, go to Courses and choose Cart. And then in Cart, just scroll down to 8th grade. And then you'll find the unit that we're looking for, Unit 5. Actually, for us this time, because we switched them around, we want to look at Unit 6. And it's not there yet. So it doesn't help us right now. But if you want to look at some of the biodiversity information, just open that folder there. And the most helpful thing is in this Unit 5 Science Resources. There's all kinds of cool stuff. Look for, it's not terribly fast, Unit 5 I can statements. Let's go click here, I guess. Oh yes, this is the document you want. And then you can look through here, and down at the bottom, I think there is a download of all the printables. So this is also a really helpful document. So the first one had, all kinds of standards information, but then this one has printouts and actual assignment type things for the students. So it's got all kinds of cool stuff in there, you can see. So it's in that cart file, and just use that to get yourself started.